First go to pantheon.io and click on Get Started or Create New Account. You can create account manually or connect with Google. Write your first name, last name, and then select your country. If you have an agency you can select yes, but for now I'm selecting no. I agree to this. Now move forward. This is your personal workspace. Click on Create New Site, select WordPress and continue. Enter your site name, and select a region for your website. Now click on Visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Click on Visit Development Site, and install WordPress. Installation completed. Now log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Now you can create live website on Pantheon free hosting. Enjoy.